2025 is here, a brand new chapter, a year with 365 opportunities to rewrite your story. But let me ask you something. What will you do to make this year different?
We've all heard it before. This year will be different. But the truth is, nothing changes unless you do. The world is moving faster than ever. Opportunities are growing for those bold enough to take them. 2025 is your chance to break free from the ordinary and step into greatness.
Let me tell you a secret about the future. The greatest achievements are not reserved for the smartest or the luckiest. They belong to the people who refuse to quit, the people who show up every day with one goal: to be better than yesterday.
The world has never been more ready for new ideas, new leaders, and new breakthroughs. Whether you dream of launching a business, writing a book, or simply becoming the best version of yourself, 2025 is your canvas. But here's the thing, success isn't handed to you, it's built. Hard work, discipline, focus. These aren't just words, they're the building blocks of greatness. Every failure, every setback, every no you face, they're not stopping points, they're stepping stones. You have to decide today, right now, that 2025 will be your year. No more excuses, no more waiting for the right moment. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the action you take, starting this second.
Your time is now. Don't let fear hold you back. Don't let doubt win. The world is waiting for your idea, your story, your contribution. And if you're willing to fight for it, 2025 will be the year you look back on and say, that's when everything changed. Dream big, work hard, start now. The best version of you is just waiting to be unlocked. But here's the thing. Being ready doesn't mean waiting for perfection. Being ready means starting even when you're scared, even when the odds feel stacked against you. Because courage doesn't come from waiting, it comes from taking the first step, and then the next, and the next. Consistency wins battles, action builds momentum, and momentum creates success.
Let me ask you this. What if you gave it everything you had? What if, instead of doubting yourself, you started believing in your potential? You don't have to see the entire path to take the first step. You just need to trust that with every effort, every challenge, you're getting closer to the person you're meant to become. And here's the truth. The world needs your ideas, your story, your voice. Someone out there is waiting for you to show up, to inspire them, to show them what's possible. So stop holding back, stop doubting, step up, because if you don't chase your dreams, no one else will do it for you.
This is your moment, your time, your year. 2025 is here, and it's not just another page in your story, it's the turning point. The chapter where you stop living in what could be and start stepping into what will be. This is the moment when you say goodbye to the days of wishing for something better and start making it happen. Do you feel that? That shift? The universe is waiting for you to rise, to take control, to say with conviction, I will make it happen in 2025. It won't be easy, no, nothing worth having ever comes easily. But let me ask you this, are you worth it? Do you deserve the life you've been dreaming of? I believe you do, and you need to believe it too. Not because anyone else told you that you could, not because the world is cheering you on, but because you, deep down, know that you have the strength, the power, the drive to create the life you've always wanted, because you believe in yourself. This year, dream big, don't hold back. Reach higher than you ever have before. Set your goals so far out there that they scare you. And when that fear creeps in, you remember. It's a sign you're on the right track. And don't just dream, work hard every single day. Take one step, no matter how small, toward your vision. Momentum is everything. The only way to make it real is by starting. Right now, today. No more waiting, no more procrastination. The time is now. Make this year count. Make it legendary. You are capable, you are powerful, and you are worthy of the success and happiness that you seek. So let me ask you one more time. Are you with me?